Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, we're going to break down how to get a job in cybersecurity for 2025. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So getting a job in cybersecurity in 2025 requires a combination of education, skills, certifications, and practical experience. So here's a comprehensive guide to help you break, into this rapidly growing field. So in regards to education and training, a strong foundation in computer science or information technology is crucial, right? You're going to want to consider these following options. You can pursue a degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. You can enroll in online courses or boot camps focused on cybersecurity fundamentals. Now, you can also participate in cybersecurity competitions and hands-on projects to gain practical experience. Now, the essential skills are as goes. Develop these skills to get a cybersecurity job in 2025. So, understand computer networks and security protocols. You're going to also want to have a basic programming knowledge, right? Particularly in languages like Python. You're going to want to also dig deep into problem solving and analytical thinking, attention to detail and process management. Now, the certifications, you can obtain industry recognized certifications to demonstrate your expertise. You have the CompTIA Security Plus, an excellent starting point for beginners with certified professionals earning around $80,000 annually. You have the Certified Ethical Hacker, right? A more advanced certification for those looking to specialize in ethical hacking, right? You can also gain practical experience by setting up a home lab to practice cybersecurity techniques. You can also volunteer for cybersecurity projects or internships. You can also participate in virtual labs and ethical hacking platforms like TryHackMe. What is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section below. You can build your network by attending industry conferences and events, join professional organizations and online communities, connect with mentors in the cybersecurity field. Now, if you like what you came here for and you're happy, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and that like button. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button. So moving on, in the job search strategy, craft a strong resume highlighting your skills, certification, and practical experience. Apply for entry-level positions even if you don't meet all the requirements. Prepare for interviews by practicing common cybersecurity questions. Consider starting in related IT roles such as help desk support to gain experience and work your way up. So the cybersecurity job market is expected to grow by 33% in 2025 with 3.5 million unfulfilled positions, right? So the entry-level positions can start at around $99,000 annually, right? With just a Security Plus certification. So by following this guide that I'm about to share with you and continuously updating your skills, you'll be well positioned to secure a cybersecurity job in 2025. So the top entry cybersecurity roles in 2025, you have the security analyst. This role involves analyzing systems to identify vulnerabilities, investigating data breaches, and developing security policies. The median salary is around $112,000 with a projected job growth of 31.5% over the next 10 years. Next is information security specialist. This is an entry point into cybersecurity. This role involves tasks such as testing and maintaining firewalls, implementing security training, and researching new security risks, right? The average salary is $88,000 roughly, right? Next, we have the IT support specialist. This serves as a feeder role for more advanced cybersecurity positions, providing a foundation in technical support and system maintenance. You have the junior cybersecurity specialist. This role is mentioned as a viable option for refreshers entering the field. You have network administrator, right? This is another feeder role that can lead to more specialized cybersecurity positions, providing experience in network management and security. Now, there are some emerging trends in cybersecurity roles for 2025, and here, you gotta stay ready, instead of getting ready. The first one is AI and machine learning specialists. Cybersecurity professionals with expertise in AI and ML will be in high demand. These roles will focus on developing and implementing AI-powered threat detection systems, as well as countering AI-driven malware and sophisticated attacks. Next is cloud security experts, with 85% of organizations expected to be cloud first by 2025. There is a growing need for professionals specializing in cloud security frameworks such as zero trust architecture and cloud security posture management, right? That's also known as CSPM. Next, you have ransomware and multifaceted extortion specialists. So as ransomware continues to be a major threat, experts in preventing, detecting, and mitigating these attacks will be crucial. Next, you have AI governance and ethics professionals. So with the increasing use of AI in cybersecurity, roles focused on AI governance, responsible AI management, and compliance with AI regulations will emerge. Information operations, IO analysts, right? Professionals who can detect and counter AI-powered information operations and disinformation campaigns will be in demand. You have quantum computing security specialists. So as quantum computing advances, experts who can develop and implement quantum resistant algorithms and post-quantum cryptography will be needed. Okay, let me know some skills that you think I'm missing in the comment section below, guys. Next, you have IoT and edge computing security professionals. So with the growth of 5G networks and IoT devices, specialists in securing edge computing environments will be essential. You have insider threat analysts, right? The rise of hybrid work environments has amplified insider threats, creating a need for professionals who can implement behavioral analysis and data loss prevention strategies. Okay, so that is what I have for you today. If you like this video and if you gain value and if you're happy, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and that like button. If you got what you came here for, you're happy, you gained value from this content, and you want more like this, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and that like button. See you on the next video.